What's up guys, I'm back. I have another video with a lot of packs. So I have this open, I don't know, and then you have things in the back, like our Charizard and Reshiram golden full card. And I have 10 packs. We have these and even more. And I'm going to show how they work. Let's first get into the undead. Already opened. That's a trick that I learned from my favorite YouTuber. Our undead card. Wow. Can really say has some details. Undead Ned. Undead Ned tired himself juice cleans mixed grapes and pears and fruits by the tent, felt his guards started to grave, the rose up from his grave. Undead Ned is eating all his friends. I read that little script right there. That's the card. I'm gonna put it right here. Ooh, it actually looks cool. Here's Undead Ned, the unicorn that eats all his friends. That's why. Why does unicorns? No. But, okay. It's like a Funko Pop. Wow. So we have to put the pieces together. So let's throw this in the garbage. We have our own little garbage. So here's a mud. Good. And here is the real soldier. I was going to get the skinny guy, the Jimmy Bones, because you know the top user is Jimmy. His name is. Okay, this is how it looks like. Whoa, it's pretty good. That's how it looks like. Undead Ned. Okay, let's put it over there to my creations. And let's see the ability. So here's the back. It's definitely not made with paper. And it's pretty cool. And these are collected balls. Wait, there's some things inside. Look at that. The seed. They all got the seed. I'm getting disease because of this disease. Yeah, there's Jimmy Bones. It would come in the car that looks cool. So yeah, I'm going to keep this. I'm going to actually unfold it. Is this better or this? I can check it off like, yeah, that. Going to stick like that. Sacrifice of death. Box looks so cool. Box looks so cool, but to throw it. Well, we're going to buy more, so Here they go. And on the next, let's actually open this bad boy. It says the Pokemon TCG Reshiram Charizard GX premium collection includes one gold card featuring Reshiram Charizard GX, one oversized card featuring Reshiram Charizard GX standby for display, 10 Pokemon TCG booster packs, a code card for the Pokemon training card game online. Oh wow. And you can see Reshiram and Charizard right there. So you know that we're going to get some big hits. And this was $80 because it's been released early. Wow. Wait, I'm going to the box there. Look at this. So you got 5 Chilling Rain, 3 Evolving Skies, and 2 Vivid Voltage. Wow. Let's open it there. I hope. And this was $80. Okay, here's the card. Actually going to be simple because I know this card is worth for much. And I have this, but in Rainbow in another style, and yeah, but son, whoa, jumbo one. I'm going to put it there. I don't think it's going to get ruined, but let's get all the packs. All this there. Oh no, the big card can't spell. I'm actually very gonna go for this, but I don't know how to do this. I don't know. Should I just? I'm going to put it here and one in the back. Oh yeah. That's how. So my Reshiram and Charizard Golden Void card is there. So yeah. And here is code card for everyone. Scan it. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's put it aside to our code card. We have Chilling Rain, with Voltage, Chilling Rain, Evolving Skies, Evolving Skies, and 2. I had to close my door. So let's do on the bottom first. So there's 1, 2, 3 Evolving Skies. There are like 3 favorite Pokemon. But I'm going to go with Voltage. Well, here you go. Am I going to win? I'm going to lose. Green code. Okay. But go. Code card 1, 2, 3. Let's put it there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to pack. I really want my favorite Pokemon, Rainbow Pikachu. It's a Snitch Ninja. Okay. Good luck. Oh yeah, also shout out, we'll be giving a gold card. The big gold card that I showed you will be sent to my favorite subscriber. Yeah. White code. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just the energy rock. Fire. But that's also a good sign. Charmeleon. Okay. I'm going to have something. Charizard. Can you give me that? Leondo. A whole Leon. Let's put that in our VI patient. VIP. And we might do cut it or rip it. And if I don't get any pulls, white code again. We can get hollows, but we can get ultra rares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's nice. Okay, I just saw a V. Okay. Good pulls, good pulls. And if you're subscribed right now, subscribe right now, or I will come for you. I'll come there. Okay, 3. Umbreon V. Nice. Nice. In the Umbreon pack too. So we might not get a boost. Okay, I wish I could get a VMAX because I got a lot of VMAX. I just woke up from this email and it's so hard. That's not even ended the video. Don't pause it yet. I think there's nowhere, yeah, green code. I think there's nowhere, but let's do a quick one. I think there's a rare, but please, $80. Yeah. Okay, we're almost done the Evolving Skies. Yeah. And then after we need to open other stuff. But I like the Evolving Skies artwork because it has like this nice text to it, like saying "Open me up." And but it's hard packed. Then voltage, but oh, pincer. Okay, we're now in our 5. So that's 5. We got 2 rares. Please, good pulls. I don't know what the rare is, but I think it's going to be green card. I think oh yeah. If there's a miracle, we got a full art trainer. What's the challenge? What are the we have to face? We have to face a white card. Let's go. 2 from the back. Let's go. I don't know. This strat maybe be helping. I just did 2, 4 and 2 in the back, in the front, and then look at what I got. You see, you have to do Nate breaking Nate things. He has some stuff you can do. Put it there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf energy. I'm turning old. Hollow. I chose you before. Okay. I might do this. But which one? And I'll do this one. It's my favorite bird. Articuno. Articuno is hard. Oh, Articuno is our savior. Articuno is our savior. But he's not our fully savior. We are losing this battle because we are losing our battle. That's right. Okay. Final pack. I choose this. My final pack. So be careful with it. We might get a man. Don't say it. Don't say it until you see it. Very sad. 1, 2, 3, 4. One. But I got a lot of verse though. I was going to choose between a retrainer box. Okay. It's a life of win it or lose. Okay, this pack. So let's open it. Ooh. It's a power bank. Okay. Nice. Well, this. I don't know. Oh, this is also have stickers. This also needs a sticker. Oh, ow. Okay. This is the only box. It comes like this and this. So I think we're supposed to stretch it out like this. And then you can flip it to anywhere and then talk to our friends. Okay, that's cool. Nice, cool. What is this supposed to do? Oh, this is supposed to tighten it. Yeah, actually, I didn't share this, but I made a video about how to fix your own keyboard. But I actually fixed it because it was not working. Okay, stick it over here. I have everything to clean up. And I got these emojis. Let's open it. There's a hole here. Let's try something. And on the 7th, I am opening, drumroll please, a booster box. So it's even longer than this video. A lot of recycling there. This is only a cube. Let's put it. But it has 2 USBs. So that means 2. Well, I have a lot to clean. A lot of things to do. Bye, and it has been a long day. So bye, and hit that bell and hit that subscribe button. It turns gray and blue, and the like button turns blue like my shirt. So better subscribe and like. Bye.